Okay, I'm going to just start recording. Okay, I probably told you already before. BoxyCharm, it's here. So this is my BoxyCharm. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! I try to get excited. $21 a month subscription to BoxyCharm. And last month was great, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got this month. This month is February. So let's see what we got in this box for February, okay? Knife. No particular order. Okay. The thing that falls out on the top. Okay. Galaxy Glow. Alright. And then we have a 20% off your next CoverFX.com. Oh. Alright. So CoverFX. That's looks like something new, something different. On the back, it's telling you the products that are in the in the box, and the prices. And let's see, they have different prices. Okay, I don't want to look at this because I don't want to see ahead of time. I just want to open this box and see what's in. Oh wow! Whew, straight up, 3 makeup brushes. Made by a company called Crown 3-piece brush trio. Wow. That looks really nice. That's really, really nice. Alright. Anything to help my brush collection. I've never heard of this company before, Crown, but I will give it a try. Like I said, I got a brush from them last month, and I washed it out, and it fluffed up wonderfully, and I haven't had 1 minute's worth of problem with it. I use it for as a bronzer brush, okay? Oh, next thing, oh, this company makes some really great eyeshadow. I have another one of their eyeshadows too. Oh, but this is Blush Rose Glow. Okay, I am going to have to do a swatch of this. Okay. Oh, a lipstick. No, this is CoverFX. And this is, let me see, what is this? I don't know. Okay, I'll have to open it up and really see. Oh, looks like a lip gloss. If I had to guess, Shimmerville, something Chatant. I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm going to have to open this and give you a swatch of that too, that you get a gander of that. And let's see what we have here. Pure, P-U-R. This is another lip plumper exfoliator. I got one last month as a lip plumper, and I have to say it actually works. That lip plumper was good, so I'm gonna bet that this one's even good. This one's good too. Okay, we got an eyeliner here, and it's from Vintage Jessica Libekind Smokey Eye Jet Black Pencil. Okay, let's see, because you know what? Everybody doesn't make pencils the same. Alrighty. Oh my God. Now they've given me this palette kit. Okay, I'm taking it. I like it. And this is so cool because now that I have actually started collecting a lot of these OFRA. I have a lot of these palettes, and I can actually stick these palettes on this tray, and I think this is going to be magnetic. So I'm going to give it a try and do a swatch. And that's the end of the box. That's it. That's what I got in this box for this month, and I'm pleased. I'm thrilled. So now I have a blush. This is a nice size blush palette. Okay. If you're not familiar, these are little palettes. These are what they call palettes. Okay. And, oh, that's a good one. You see, if you can see that shade of, it is a rose peach blush. That's nice. Where am I? Okay. Might not be able to make it out in this light, but I'll tell you, that's a good peach. That's It's peach, and it is kind of rosy color. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna spread it around so you can see. Very pigmented, very nice, very nice, very nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, that'll be nice on my face. You see that? That works. That's a keeper. Now I'm gonna put this in here, and it is magnetic, and it will stay, and I can close it. Excellent. This is gonna help me a lot with all those loose palettes, these little things that I have floating around. And let's see if this is a lip gloss. A lip gloss. The little girl in the video, her mom said, "What are you doing wearing lip varnish?" And she said, "It's not lip varnish, it's lip gloss, mother." Yes. Yeah. Okay. All right, that's a pink. That's a nice pink right there. I like that. And it seems like it has some, it's got some shimmer. Okay, it's got some shimmer to it. That's a nice one. I'm not a lip gloss girl, but you know what? That's the beauty of getting this box for $21 a month. You get to try things that you wouldn't normally try. And this is looking like a clear. This is the lip plumper. Okay. Well, you see it goes on clear. It doesn't stink. It smells good. It smells like vanilla. I like it. Yeah, it's just clear. See? There's a shimmer, a little shine there. Catches the light. That's good. You put that on your clean, dry lips and plump them. And then put on your lipstick. And let me tell you, it really works. Okay. That's a bad place to put it over my knuckles. But this eyeliner, yeah, that's a winter chicken dinner right there. That's all right. And this is the real test. Can it rub off? Okay, so you can smudge it around. Okay. All right. They did say that this is for what you call it, creating that smoky eye. That's doable. Okay. This is a good product. I like this. This is, and you know, I don't really use black eyeliner anymore since I was really young, but I'll give it a try. I'll give it a go. So that's what I got, and I'm going to tell you the prices. Here it goes. So the palette, pop-up palette, the mini palette, that's $19. The blush, $12. CoverFX Summer Shimmer, that's lip gloss, retails for $28. Vintage Cosmetic Smoky Eye Pencil, that retails for $21. Pure, the Complexion Authority, X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, retails for $17. And Crown Pro, the Tri-Brush Set, retails for $29.99. This box is worth a lot of money. Okay? Well, considering what the manufacturer's retail price is. So I hope everybody liked it. And I know I'm not going live, but I wanted to share this with my YouTube page. And yes, I am wearing my Ulta Airpod Still sweatshirt. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.